Let's enjoy a buckwheat bake today, with sauerkraut, potatoes, and bacon. You will need buckwheat, sauerkraut, smoked bacon, potatoes, an onion, garlic, caraway, marjoram, salt and pepper, and lard or frying oil. Soak 1 cup of buckwheat in cold water for about an hour. Then, boil the buckwheat for about 10 minutes, or until it becomes soft. If there is any water left, drain the water. Peel 3 medium potatoes, and cut the potatoes into smaller pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds and boil the potatoes for about 10 minutes, until they are soft. Peel and dice an onion. Peel 3 cloves of garlic, and cut them into small pieces. Cut a pack of bacon into small pieces. We are using 250 grams of smoked streaky bacon. Next, drain the liquid from sauerkraut, and cut the sauerkraut into smaller pieces. We are using 1 cup of sauerkraut. Heat up a pan, and add lard or frying oil. Add the diced onion, and fry the onion until it starts turning brown. Then, add the chopped garlic, and fry for another minute. Next, add the bacon pieces. Fry for a while, until the bacon looks cooked. Stir in the sauerkraut. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of marjoram. Add the boiled potatoes. Add the buckwheat. Stir the ingredients well, and place the pot in a preheated oven. Or, use an oven dish, rather than a pot. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, until the top looks nice and crispy. Serve while the pasta bake is still hot.